The craft of software development is changing tremendously. Development is moving from writing code manually into spinning up dozens of AI agents, and we really need to rethink what that means for security and how the new model of security should look like. I'm Alon Coleman, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Clover Security. Clover is the world's first secure by design platform. We're helping companies embed security into the entire agentic development lifecycle instead of reactively scanning and finding vulnerabilities after the fact. So this week we launched Kura. We're extremely excited about this new launch. The idea behind Kura starts from what we've been seeing with our customers who are adopting tools like Cursor and Claude Code. We noticed that these tools are not just implementing and generating code, they're making actual design and architecture choices that security teams are completely blind to. The idea behind Kura is to provide a new offering that allows security teams to first of all get a better understanding of what are these shadow design decisions that these agents are making, and also to ensure that they're injecting the right security guidance and the right security requirements directly into the agentic development workflow. So tools like Cursor and Claude, they can already implement things with the security decisions in mind and building things the right way from the start. Our mission and our vision is how we can see a world where every single company is using AI coding tools across the board, but they can also do it safely and responsibly without just creating huge amounts of security risk.
This special production was brought to you by Clover. Learn more at clover.security.